I can't see enough good things about this kind of porous block for a driveway, access point, or even your parking space at your home. It is much lower cost to install, lasts much longer, and provides soakage into the ground. Now, near your house, you still need to have hardscape to move the water away from your house. But elsewhere, you can have this porous block that you simply run over with a mower or introduce low plants. Now, one challenge is that it does not have the traction that you may expect in snow. And if it freezes, it can lift, but then these blocks are very easy to maintain. Worst case scenario, if it doesn't settle back down in the wet season, you can bring up these blocks or a block and make a correction. Now, there's probably about a foot of gravel underneath these blocks so that they will drain. And if they don't drain properly, you can end up with ice on it, which is about the same as a regular hardscape asphalt. But again, you can introduce flowering plants or other low pile plants. You can even see some dandelion in here. And as you drive over them, these blocks will give you enough traction and give you some kind of green. It actually, instead of reflecting a lot of heat, or instead of absorbing the heat, it reflects a little bit of the heat, but otherwise creates a thermal barrier. So it's an excellent way to do hardscape on your property. And it also allows the soakage of water so that you're not running that water off into other challenging areas. And I want to show you something interesting here. So you have hardscape, and what they've done is they've put these little blocks in here so that when it fills up with water, it slows the water down and gives a better opportunity for the water to soak into the ground. You see another block there. So again, it's combinations of things. And then I just noticed they've got protection around some new plants that they put in. So it's a curation, conservation, and application of different design principles.